Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Katie. Oh, guys, so much to talk since the last time I made a video, which is not that long, but things change every day here. Actually, not for you, but for me. So, if you don't know, guys, after 7 years of living in this van, I am currently looking for a brand new van. And the process is a little bit longer. I mean, it's not that it's really long, but I thought that would be faster and simpler and all this. So, yesterday, after looking at all my options and everything, I look online again and I was like, make a list, you know, my list of all the van, the all-wheel drive, short base, because that's what I want. Short base, all-wheel drive, sprinter van. Let's see, make a list of all they have and the option, like the add-on if you want, the little things that they add on the van, and see, and the price, and see what my options are. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And while I was doing the list, I was like, let's go back to look at the website for Vancouver Island. There's two dealerships on the island here, so I went to see online in Victoria, down Island, what they had. I'm like, nope, it's not nothing that I'm interested about. And I look here in Nanaimo and find one, and I was like, this is strange, because last time that we did test drive, it was here in Nanaimo, and I didn't saw that one, which I think it's because the salesman, when I came, I didn't know if I want long base or short base, and he kind of showed me two, and I thought that that's the only option that they had for all-wheel drive, but no. So I was like, wait a minute, what's that one? What she's doing there? What she's doing at the website? So I was on Vancouver, in the mainland, while I was doing that research, and I phoned Chrome, who was on Vancouver Island, and I told him, would you be willing to go check that van? And he said yes. So he went to check the van, just to give me, I just wanted someone like visually look at the van, just to, sometimes with the description of everything that they have in, like the add-on that they put, the specs they have of the van, it's hard to really see everything. So I sent him there. He was happy. Apparently people over there really like his van, and he had a good time, so good. And so I took the ferry back because she's looking very, very, very good. I still have to look at her, test drive her, and talk with actual salesman. We just talk on the phone, but yeah, maybe she's gonna be mine. She's so cute. It's blue, but it's not like it crazy. I like it.
These 360 cameras are pretty cool. Cameras are pretty cool. Look at all this storage. Look at all that storage. I love it. And this is your charging port. Oh, look at all yours. I got one.
What, you need charging?
When you charge, you come to Euros. Yeah, big time. That's better. Better than mine. I got one.
I like it.
Are you doing it? Good luck in there.
Do you know that smile? What that smile is? Probably 2 days happened since the last clip that you saw of me test driving a cute little van. That was, I think, on Saturday. I did a test drive. I am the proud owner of a beautiful 2026 Sprinter van, short base. Yeah, I just finalized everything. I mean, we are going to pick her up later on today. I am so chill. To be honest, it's been a couple days of everything was going on, and you try to assemble all the little puzzle to get the van and everything. Yeah. Think about if that was the rain van and all this. So happy that this shopping process is over. You guys know that it's not my favorite part, but I'm stoked with the van. I'm gonna share more about the actual van when we're gonna pick it up, like all the feature will look like, and obviously I'm gonna show you everything. But she's cute. I almost cannot believe. I think when I'm gonna drive it out of the dealership, it's gonna be go, oh, this is mine. Yes, let's talk about that. So yeah, let's go pick up my new van and eventually my new home. And by the way, for every person who say, Amy, you're gonna regret the short base. It's been 7 years that I live in this van, and I never complain about the space in my van. And the Sprinter van is 1 foot longer than this van, so I think I'm gonna be plenty of space. I'm not worried at all. I see the concern in the comment section, but yeah, I never complain about storage. Just look on YouTube, people living in the short base van. They usually have a ton of cabinet on the side. Like, I have a fridge here, but a big empty space. Most people fill up every corner. There's a ton of space that I don't utilize in this van because I just, yeah, don't feel the need of it. But yeah, so let's go pick up this beautiful van. We're gonna have a new home, Kitty. Oh, I see your excitement. Going in this big van. Thank you for the ride.
You're very welcome.
Opening the door. Thank you. Little puppies. Sorry, I think she's hard right now. I'm sorry.
Oh, my dog's like, yo.
She's there. She's there. Where is she?
Everything's been cleaned inside for you there. Toys available as well. You can give me a call anytime if you're ready. Specifically, do you have any questions right now, though?
No, good.
Cool. All good to go then. One thing is premium fuel. Just remember that. Don't put the wrong stuff in. Yeah. Have a great day, guys. Okay.
Awesome, man.
Very welcome.
Are you sure? Congratulations.
Thank you. We have a brand new van. So one cool feature is this. I do have a 360 camera, so I can see while I'm parking or right now while I'm driving, all the car and everything that surround me. And I do have this camera too, the mirror, which is pretty cool. Love it. Alright, we make it safe and sound for a first drive. Woo-hoo. So I'm just gonna park the van. There you go. Woo-hoo. And right now you cannot see so much because I'm right against the building, but this backup, this little camera, mirror camera, oh my god, this is the best thing ever. When I saw, this was the first van that I saw this mirror camera, and Chrome did the first kind of test drive or whatever with it. Not test drive, but just look at it. And he told me, it's like, oh, you have a mirror. I'm like, okay, a mirror where? Where I have a mirror? Because in the cargo van, you don't realize that this mirror is useless. You don't have access to anything that's behind you. And now when I'm driving, I'm like, oh, this is so cool. She's awesome. Don't forget your keys. Thank you. So I didn't really film the outside of the van. She's the cutest thing ever. So there's no window here, but I'm gonna install one that can open. All-wheel drive. I really like that color. I'm glad that I went with that color. And yeah, this is gonna be our playground. Woohoo! And obviously a little bit of the blue is gonna show into some section of the van build. Yeah, pretty stoked, guys. Pretty stoked. So in the next video we're gonna have to think about what we're gonna do. We have 1 foot extra of my actual van, so yeah, what are we gonna do with it? No, I have a couple ideas, but that's gonna be another video. We're gonna have to draw things. I already ordered a bunch of stuff to try to not having too much of waiting time. So currently the van's gonna be at Chrome shop, not to do any van build. I could do a couple little project inside his shop like roof van, but I cannot do any woodworking project at his shop. So I still have to figure out what we're gonna do, where we're gonna be at that point. But I can at least park here, which is awesome. I'm so happy about that. This is a place with a gate, security thing, you know, everything is good. So big release, because for a little bit I'm gonna have 2 van. I'm gonna have to take care of Kelly and, you know, building this van. But yeah, so yeah. I don't know how much I filmed, but I think I'm gonna end the video like this. And next video, yeah, gonna talk about design, setup, what we want, what we don't want, and start planning everything. All right, guys, leave you with Kitty. She's sleeping inside the other van. Kitty, we're gonna have a brand new van soon. I'm gonna have to do something for your Clado. Yeah, are you happy? You're so funny. A little kiss. Aww, thank you so much. Oh, that's a lot of kiss. Alright, guys. See you next one.